I have created a drawing poster about the contemporary world with a focus on peace education. This poster uses simple, colorful illustrations. The globe represents the world and the interconnectedness of all nations. It's central to the image, emphasizing its importance. Stock book symbolize knowledge, learning, and the accumulation of wisdom. This presence suggests that education is a key element. Light bulb. The light bulbs on a top the globe and another in a small box represent ideas, enlightenment, and the power of knowledge to illuminate the world. Dove. The dove perched on a book is a classical symbol of peace. Its inclusion directly links education with the concept of peace.